trade. It's Justin Crypto here, and today I'm going to present you a coin that I think many people do not really have on their radar, but actually a coin that has a lot of potential. Today we are not going to look at the fundamentals, we are going to look at price action and the chart, and we will see whether this thing likely has bottomed and what potential targets for the next cycle are and what kind of returns you can get trading VECHAIN, which is my opinion, or buying holding VECHAIN, which in my opinion is one of the most lucrative coins out there that many people are not really aware of. Okay, jumping in, we can see that we have this downward sloping resistance that VECHAIN right now actually broke. So it came out here, it pumped out within the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 daily candles. We pumped out, we came back to resistance, and now we seem to confirm it. And once we break this level, this breakout out of this downward sloping resistance would be confirmed to me with a break above the level of 0.0185 cents to then go higher here. Measuring how much percent you can get currently with VECHAIN from the current price to the old all-time high, we are speaking about a 14x, which is definitely a very good and heavy gain. And looking towards the setup that we think we see here in the chart for VECHAIN, it's pretty obvious in my opinion. This here looks like the bottom was hit at around 0.013. So the bottom seems to be in. This is more or less mimicking the same structure it had back in the days, only that here you had this kind of area first. Now you have it on the right side, there you had it on the left, so I think this is the bottom. Anyway, what kind of structure do I think is that? I think this is a 1-2 setup. All right, so you essentially have your wave 1 here. Okay, so this is your wave 1, and this should be your wave 2 here, which is ended now, and that gives you a target if you measure it for your wave 3, which essentially is measured here from the top to the bottom of wave 2, and it gives you a wave 3 realistic target of 0.025, 0.03, 39, 4, and 46. So this is more or less where this wave 3 could essentially go in 5 subwaves to then have a B, C down to further continue growing. If we would say, okay, wave 3 goes here and we want to measure where it might come back to, it might then retrace again to around 2 cents. And that's essentially what I think is happening here in the chart. So I do think the bottom is in. And it looks very good. It looks very nice on the 4-hour time frame. You guys can see, okay, this is the Binance chart, so this one trades a bit weird, but I think we have 5 waves here, so that looks very good to me. It looks like an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we should have A, B, C, and then a continuation. This is A, B, C. For me, this is not the perfect C. I would like the C wave to be actually somewhere in here and then take off from there, but we will see what the price will do. It looks definitely very good from here. Speaking about why VECHAIN has so much potential, taking this whole move here as a 1-2 setup, okay, as a big 1 wave 2, and we should have a wave 3 right now. We can measure and we can say, okay, this is the bottom right there, and we will see that we have our realistic Fibonacci targets for the next cycle somewhere around those areas. I would say are the most realistic targets, so a little bit above the old all-time high to 1.618. We can say, okay, target 2 might eventually get reached, so I would say something between 30 and 60 cents for VECHAIN would be the target here, and this would give you a insane 20, 25x, 30x, at least a 16x on your money. So 16 times. VECHAIN looks one of, like, to me personally, like one of the coins that really broke out, that look like a pretty safe buy. And yes, guys, I think we have started the wave 3, so this looks very good to me, and I'm looking forward to see how this develops, how this trade safe, guys. Justin Crypto out with a very bullish outlook here on VECHAIN, looking very positive. The bottom seems to be in for me.